Okay, I'm reinstalling this drain plug, we bought a new one because we stripped the old one in the process of trying to drain the coolant, which of course just spilled out all over the garage eventually anyway. But here's the drain plug. Bought it from VW Parts Warehouse, which turned out to be a better price than, or did I? I think so. So this drain plug is a fairly this common replacement thing. So I guess I should torque it down. I'm not sure what torque it's supposed to have. It's an O-ring, so I can't imagine that this has to be torqued very tight. So I'm just going to use a reasonable amount of torque, whatever that is. So let's see, where is my ratchet? Just going to tighten it down. Should be enough. If we ever have to remove it again to drain the coolant, we will be able to.